shit.
It's like a party popper.
You know all the papers you stuck in there, Jerry?
They're all gone.
You did it again. Put number one spark plug out here, somebody. Let's make sure we got this in time. Woo! What'd that tell us?
We got spark and we got fuel. And compression. Not at the right time.
It just ain't at the right time, is it?
Wow.
Snooks, get over here and take number one spark plug out.
I'm taping. I'm busy. I am though.
I'll hold the camera.
Damn.
I'll tape you doing it.
Say we're out of time.
Here's the star of the show right here. This is the Snook Show.
Snook show. Look, he following around.
I'm the cameraman.
Number one plug.
This is the proper way to extract a number one spark plug
Out of a 3.8.
out of a 3.8 liter Chevrolet V6 engine, originally from a Monte Carlo. We have Jared Snooks here, wrenching away.
Fucking up. Look at it. Looking like Jordan. God damn, I gotta be all that.
Look at that booty.
Damn!
Oh no,
Damn! Shake that trunk.
Taking it out.
Shake that junk in your truck.
Taking it out. Yeah, did you hear about that one, Cap?
Yeah,
Jordan
that's
said
good.
it's when he cross-threaded that spark plug, he said it happened when he was taking it out.
Uh-huh.
All right.
You're still on camera. I'm watching you, Snooks.
I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
I'm watching you.
Ever see? Yeah, focus on the engine now. Matter of fact, let me see.
Your space screwdriver?
What you do with it, Jay? It's right next to Jay.
Oh, never mind. Leave it right there. Give off plug up.
Yeah, put your signature lap on her,
Shoot him out there.
Don't put this on there. We got Rosedale shirts on. I think we don't know what we're talking about.
That's a flip. Well, they had a plug.
It didn't start.
That's
Not a little reach. At least somebody's on the ball, Kevin. Huh? At least somebody's on the ball. Like, oh my God. Snoop Show.
Sir.
Jerry, let me stick my head in.
Well, now you gotta be proper, sir. You're on camera.
I'm on camera. I gotta be respectable. I'm on camera.
Orientation.
They're all being on Facebook tonight. Oh yeah, you're gonna be right on Facebook.
I didn't even get
Have you seen this man, Kevin?
I didn't sign the release form.
I'm gonna fuck. You ain't gonna get shit. What you gonna get, like a PlayStation 3? What you gonna get?
How'd you do, Cap?
Well, I'm double checking the ignition timing.
Actually, I'm an Xbox man, but my box broke on me.
I don't like sports all that.
All right.
Way out.
Now, I brought number one cylinder up top, dead center compression. Where's my rotor point?
Wrong place. Should we
It's
take the other way?
180 degrees hot, ain't it?
Yeah, pretty much.
I need that 9/16 wrench.
That's
Who's the jack off?
Open up. Okay. It was, okay.
He's the jack off.
Well, here's what it was. I'm not blaming this on any one particular person. I'm thinking it was a team effort because I asked everybody here if we were sure we were at number one top dead compression.
Oh, Team Brown here.
And everybody said, oh yeah.
It was. Somebody had to start it.
It was definitely on top dead compression.
you
Unless
were.
somebody adjusted it afterwards. Me and Alan sat here and we adjusted it till the finger was pushed out from number one cylinder, like you said.
In your
No,
face.
it wasn't Alan. Who was it?
I wasn't here.
Not me. It was Team Brown. Fucked it all up. Team Brown.
He told me to do it. Jordan. It was him. Jordan. It was her. It was him.
He went that way.
It was her. Well, it wasn't here. It was him.
He went that way. Why she,
Miss America way.
why she look like that?
You gotta get a Miss America way.
We're not used to seeing women walk around. That's why.
Your fight, man. The UFC fight.
They ain't go on yet. I thought that was over with by now.
Nah, I'm not training yet. She got tickets for it. I'll be there.
It's gonna be like a 20-minute long video on YouTube. I'm up 10,000 votes, of 10,000 views by tomorrow.
I'll give him a minute.
Probably not. Somebody
What
gets
the
hurt.
fuck you do?
and, you know,
Huh?
My longest fight Why'd was you fuck it up?
Because I felt like it.
I think it was Brandon, truthfully.
On there.
They'll play City One.
That was you.
Fucking go in and go right on the takedown. And
I
you just
screwed
pull
up.
out, well,
enough.
and you hit him once, and
I know I gotta be facing number one.
they keep hitting him. It's like ding, ding, ding.
Punch him in the forehead.
Prison Break. That's Prison Break, everybody. I'm about to stop. I'm about to stop taping. A-Town. Peace up, A-Town down. That's so gay to me. Cat, my arm's getting tired of holding this camera, man. Hurry up.
I was back in. My daddy taught me. I was like, oh my god.
I'm about to die. I'm getting down.
Yeah, the old one to the head.
I almost died.
Yeah, that'd be instant bombing. I would puke all over the fucking place, yeah. I would, if I didn't puke, I would have made myself puke. Sick. Yeah,
What the hell does that mean?
No. But the sideways man.
some new shit.
That hurts my feelings.
It's just fucking deference. Stroke the furry wall.
What's wrong, Cap?
Where'd that work go?
Make it happen, Cap.
Did somebody spin out while I was down there?
Nobody touched it.
No, that's it. That's it. We're not having a advantage.
My free case like my phone.
You say what? What? Oh, shit.
Sorry.
Huh?
Huh?
I'm watching him for the guy comes into the hotel room with a suitcase. I'm thinking, he's just coming home from a vacation, whatnot, right? He starts unpacking his suitcase, right?
Well,
I'm like,
there's a midget in his suitcase.
Did you ever go to the strip club where the midget stripper is? That shit's funny as hell.
Thing on there.
She has a pole and everything.
I'd be alert. Oh man, I don't think I can do that.
Slapping her ass.
Yeah, I just be looking like, oh my god.
Good, put that plug back in.
You don't got no thing to ever see.
Probably more.
Yeah, dwarfs don't have
Dwarfs are
fingers.
proportional. They're not big, funny heads and little stubby arms. They're just like a shrunk down person.
Oh, she goes by the biggest thing.
Sorry, dwarf.
Oh, let's change it to dwarf. That'd be funnier.
Dwarf dancers, huh?
Dwarf dancer. DD. Come see DD. You giving the hell out of lips?
What a doctor, boy. What a doctor. Right in there.
That's why he's the man.
Back it up, back it up.
Don't ever play a video like that again. Now I can't get out of my head.
We ready, Cap? Uh-oh. Come on, Cap.
Fuck. I just don't think Cap wants to.
You doing respark here or what?
I don't understand why you had corn in there. There's no water pump.
Sure ain't no water pump.
Did it?
Yeah, it's like, we don't have flashlight here.
I just took mine home yesterday too.
You took it home?
Yeah. You gonna double check and make sure I ain't lying? I just took it home.
Is that right?
Is that gonna work? Yeah, it worked. You had to hit the button. It worked.
Oh, goddamn.
I came on, man. Wouldn't get no fuel.
Give me that half-inch soft ratchet. I need a punch and a hammer.
You need a long one? A long half-inch?
You want the same one we use? Let's tighten the spark down.
I don't remember, Cap.
You got a hammer right there? What's that? What's your hammer, too, Schultz? You don't man, after I like to buy you with something. You go! Right, well, no.
Working on a car and fixing it off and the double sticker.
Hannah, can of Hannah?
What you gonna do?
I have the rod come off this accelerator pump.
Oh, you don't need that.
Hmm?
I need that.
What are you going to do for that?
I gotta grab his pin out, take it off, and put it back in. Next to the last. There you go. Thanks, sir.
Thank you, Scotty Too Hottie, for having a nice toolkit with the punches and stuff in it.
Sorry, first.
Hold on.
Scalpel.
Beverly Hills Cop is a good movie. Beverly Hills Cop.
Oh, man, I got sick of him with his little shag.
This is the orientation. You want to go to like, where am I at?
We had the best table on orientation.
Who was there?
Huh?
Who was at the table?
It was me, Keith, Jay,
Grab
Ball,
here for orientation.
bald head dude with the Steelers in the Philadelphia. Remember he was in our class the first day, but he left.
Right there.
There you go. There he was. Watch your eyes.
I didn't say me. I said
Watch your eyes.
Keep it running.
No, that's it.
No.
Run that motherfucker.
Run it. Run it. Run it.
see the flame shoot out of
No.
the fuck out of me.
I didn't see the flame when I said.
Good job, man.
Damn, that thing sounds good in my truck.
Cussing them up with that war.
There you go, Cap. Start it up. Thank you.
How you like it?
I don't
I got it with this car. It's a miracle the car like works as well as it does.
Luke. Team Brown.
Team Brown.
Team Brown. Anybody else Team Brown? Me, Kevin, Luke? That's it. Team Brown.
All right, disconnect battery. Make sure that fuel tank is in my